Craving a restaurant showdown? We're pitting Olive Garden against Cheesecake Factory to crown the ultimate champion of casual dining. First, let's talk budget. Olive Garden generally offers more wallet-friendly options, especially with their unlimited breadsticks and salad. Cheesecake Factory's prices tend to be a bit higher across the board. Next up, the main event, the food. Olive Garden shines with its classic Italian-American dishes. Think hearty pastas and comforting sauces. Cheesecake Factory boasts an overwhelming menu with everything from Asian-inspired cuisine to pizzas and, of course, cheesecake. Don't forget atmosphere. Olive Garden aims for a cozy, family-friendly vibe. Cheesecake Factory goes for a more upscale, bustling experience with often longer wait times. So, which restaurant wins? It really boils down to personal preference. If you're looking for a comforting, budget-friendly Italian meal, Olive Garden is your go-to. But if you crave variety, a lively atmosphere, and don't mind spending a bit more, Cheesecake Factory might be the perfect choice. Let us know in the comments which restaurant you prefer and why.